Доволен.
I understand how the cat feels right now. Truly lonely, as her mom is at work.
Piper! Piper, where are you? Piper! Come here, Piper! Where are you?
Is this cat even a real cat? I'm so surprised. Surely, Mom heard me calling. I want to come in with her. This cat wants its owner to go to the basement.
Oh, no. You don't need more food.
Yes, with a body like this amount of food is definitely too little.
You hungry? Say yeah!
Perhaps this cat is feeling very lonely.
Kelly!
Said what?
She said what? Do you hear it? Hey!
Hey, you wanna go outside? You come with me? Come on, let's go. Let's go outside.
Wait for me. Coming down right now.
Yeah, I'll go outside with you. Come on. Yep, I'm serious. Come on.
Say hello. The fuck? Hello. Hello. Oh, what the fuck? I love you.
When Dad leaves you alone for 1 minute.
You having zoomies? Yeah, you have zoomies. Ooh, what do you want? You want to play? Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna need you to start paying rent next month. Not with cash, in cuddles, okay? I'm gonna need about 6 hours of cuddle time per week, and there's a safety deposit too.
This is a female cat, and the song I Go Meow is her own creation.
So the touch lamp is working with the cat's nose because the cat is connected to the light.
Why does he sound like he's asking to speak to the manager?
Okay, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna see you later. Oh, I'll see you later, okay? Have fun exploring. Bye!
If I heard it for the first time,
安生，你别舔了，那是你弟弟呀，你舔他干嘛呀？一会儿把他头舔秃噜皮了。那你舔吧，反正你弟弟有蛋蛋，你没有。你没有。
A kitty needs one hug a day to have a fulfilled day. No more, no less.
哎呦，谢小妈妈了，你跟小妈妈几遍？你跟小妈妈几遍？你说说。
He's explaining the plot of his day, and I'm fully invested. Wolfie Girl is practicing whispering to get the role in another Quiet Place horror movie sequel.
You practicing for the quiet place? Yeah. Okay. I think the audience can still hear you though. Yeah, because you're a little bit too loud. That's better. That's way better, I think.
Meanwhile, he has 3 legs, but he's the best English-speaking tripod ever.
Human, you've got only one mission today, and that is giving me love. When a cat licks their owner's hair, it's not random, it's how they show love. This masseur deserves a 5-star rating and a generous tip for his excellent service.
很香，还咬人是吗？啊，你看好了啊，咔，要不要了？啊，你要不要了？要不要了？啊，哎，挺管用的哈。
Why are they arguing like they both pay the mortgage? If you're still not convinced the cats can talk, just listen to...
Passa, filho, vídeo. Bota perto dela que ela tá.
Tira desse aqui, papai.
What can I get for you? Hi, yes.
Personal diet coach. Well, that was very motivating.